Have you ever thought about creating your own YouTube channel? In this digital age, having a YouTube channel can be a powerful tool. It can help you reach a global audience, build a personal brand, or even promote your business. Moreover, a carefully crafted professional YouTube channel can elevate your presence, making you stand out from the crowd. It opens up opportunities for collaboration, monetization, and growth. Creating a YouTube channel can be a rewarding experience, and it's easier than you might think. To start, you need a Google account. Creating a Google account is as easy as pie. Head over to Google's homepage and look for the sign up button. You'll be prompted to input some personal details like your first and last name. Now here's where it gets interesting. When it comes to choosing your email address, think of it as your digital business card. It needs to be user-friendly, easy to remember, and professional. This is the first impression you're making, so make it count. Next, you'll be asked to create a password. This is your first line of defense against hackers, so make it strong. A mix of letters, numbers, and symbols is a good way to go. And remember, never share your password with anyone. As you go through these steps, Google will guide you, so don't worry if you're not tech-savvy. Now that you have your Google account ready, let's move to the next step. With your Google account ready, you are now set to create your YouTube channel. Setting up your YouTube channel is like laying the foundation for your online presence. It's a simple yet crucial step in your journey to becoming a successful content creator. So let's get started. First things first, you need to decide on a unique and catchy channel name. This might sound like a small detail, but it's more important than you might think. Your channel name is your brand. It's what people will remember. It should be relevant to your content, easy to remember, and unique enough to stand out from the crowd. Once you've nailed down a name, it's time to fill out your channel description. This is your chance to tell your potential viewers what your channel is about. You want to make it engaging and informative, but also concise. Remember, you're not writing a novel here. You're giving people a snapshot of what they can expect from your channel. In your description, consider including keywords related to your content. This will help your channel show up in search results, making it easier for viewers to discover your content. But use them sensibly. Don't just throw in a bunch of random words. Your description should still read naturally and make sense to your viewers. Great! You've set up your channel. Now let's customize it. Customizing your channel helps to make it stand out and attract viewers. First impressions count, and your profile picture and banner are the first things that viewers notice. Choose images that align with your channel's theme. A profile picture could be your logo or a professional headshot, while the banner can be used to showcase what your channel is about. Now, let's talk about the channel trailer. Think of it as a movie trailer for your YouTube channel. This is your chance to capture the attention of new visitors and give them a preview of what to expect. It should be short, engaging, and most importantly, it should reflect the essence of your channel. You could include highlights from previous videos or talk about what viewers can expect in the future. Remember, consistency is key. Your images, trailer, and even your tone of voice should all align with your channel's theme. With your channel customized, you're almost ready to start posting content. Now that your channel is set up and customized, it's time to post your first video. Click on the Create button at the top right corner and select Upload Video. You'll then be guided to a page where you can select the video file from your device. As the video uploads, focus on optimizing your video details. Firstly, craft an engaging title that accurately represents your content. This is your first impression, so make it count. Next, write a detailed description. This is the chance to provide more context about your video and include relevant keywords that can help viewers find your content. Don't forget to add relevant tags. Tags are like keywords that help YouTube understand what your video is about. Lastly, design a captivating thumbnail. This is another crucial element that can attract viewers to your content. Congratulations! You've successfully created your professional YouTube channel and posted your first video. Enjoy your journey as a YouTuber.